Welcome back to the channel as we explore the Kettoya non-expanding garden hose for your home. This innovative hose features a high-density outer layer and a durable nano PVC inner tube. It is 3 times lighter than standard vinyl hoses while remaining incredibly flexible during daily use. Patented swivel connectors rotate freely under pressure to prevent annoying kinks and ensure smooth water flow. You also get an upgraded thumb-controlled nozzle with 10 unique spray patterns for every outdoor task. The leak-proof aluminum connectors and portable storage strap make hose management and organization very simple. Upgrade your gardening routine with this lightweight and efficient tool that handles any watering job easily. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.